Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Kevin and today we got a special guest joining me today for today's recipe. What's your name?
I'm JJ.
You're JJ. This is my daughter Jersey and she's gonna help us out because this is one of her favorite treats in this house and it's deep fried goat cheese balls. So you need the canola oil, you get that heated. Then you need salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We got that all in this container. And that is a 1:1:1 ratio, meaning equal parts. And then we've added the Cajun Southwest barbecue blend. Now this is in place of the jalapeno pepper. My kids can handle this one. The jalapeno pepper, not so much. But for me and my wife, we will add pepper from time to time. Little bit of flour, white flour, whole wheat, that doesn't really matter, whatever you've got. Panko breadcrumbs, green onions, and goat cheese. Can you say goat cheese? Goat cheese. All right, so that's the main ingredient there. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna make some balls. Now, if you're gonna get some jalapeno peppers, take the seeds out, dice them up really fine, get them into here, and mix it all together. But we're gonna do this a little bit differently because it's for JJ. All right, salt and pepper here. So we're just gonna add enough to just kind of cover the whole thing. You want to do this one? And this is the Southwest spice blend. I'm gonna get my daughter here, just put it on top there. Little higher, little higher. Doing good, little higher. Get it? Now this side. Perfect. So yeah, same idea, just cover it. There is a little kick to this, so if you don't want it too hot, just add less. All right, the green onions. You want to just pour that right over top of that? Just pour this whole thing right over top. This whole thing. You want to pour this whole thing? Oh, you want to use your hands? All right, do this. That's about one clump or package, whatever you want to call it. The bundle. Bundle's probably a good word for it. One bundle of green onions that you find at the grocery store, sliced thin. All right, so I'm gonna take half of this and Jay's gonna take half of this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend it's Play-Doh, mix it all together like this. Gonna get your hands there, you mix it up like Play-Doh. Yeah, squeeze it real good. And you pick it up and go like this. There you go, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. All right, so once you have it all incorporated, the spices and the green onions, break it off into little balls. Again, you don't wanna go too big here. Ping pong, max. Mine are probably the size of a loonie if a loonie was round. You get the idea? Same diameter type thing. But then you're gonna take your flour, drop the ball in there. And then, oh, you made a snake? Nice. And then right into the panko. Oh. And you squish it in there. You want the panko to stick to it, so you can just move it around and mold it. If you want to add some cream, you can dip this into cream and the panko will stick right to it. But I find that just gets really messy, and this kind of does the same thing. So you just kind of work it into it. Enough that you have a crispy exterior. Just get the thing coated. And then I just dropped it in flour again. So you're gonna make a whole bunch of those. Rip off a bit. Rip off a bit. Here, I'll show you. If you take this and go like this, make a ball. So like this, right in the palm of your hand. This is a good one for the kids because it's easy. You make a nice ball like that. That looks pretty good. Drop it in the flour. Get it all covered. Nice. Okay, now put it in there. Perfect. And squeeze it in. And make it. Get that panko on there. And even do this again. Get more panko in there. Right? Awesome. Add more flour. There you go, that one's done. So let's put it over there. All right, so when you have all your goat cheese balls made, then you're gonna throw them in the deep fryer. They are done when they are done when they turn crispy golden brown on the outside, and they're gonna be nice and warm on the inside. That goat cheese is already soft, it's gonna be even softer, and somewhat melted. So be careful when you bite into these things. But now you just wait for your oil to get hot, drop them in there until they're golden brown, remove them, and you're good to go. Now you can make any sauce that you like with this. I made a sauce for our walleye wings episode, spicy aioli. We also make that for these. It's great. I mean, not for the kids because it's a little hot, but for me and my wife, it's perfect. If you like spicy food, check out that spicy aioli. If you don't like spice, make that aioli, just sub in something else that's not so spicy. It's really simple to make. I'll leave a link to that. All right, everyone, they're done. We put them in the deep fryer, or the pot with oil, our version of deep fryer, and pull them out. They literally 10, 20 seconds, and you want them to look like this. Nice and golden brown. It doesn't take long. Just drop them in there carefully, or if you have a basket, lower them in there carefully. Top them with the spicy aioli sauce, or any sauce of your choosing. Whatever you like with deep fried foods. If you like goat cheese, this is for you. If you don't like goat cheese, try it with cream cheese. You can do it like that as well. Just think jalapeno popper, reinvent that wheel, turn it into a little ball, and serve these at any tailgate party. If you're having people over for the game, when we're allowed to have people over for the game, or just for a family appetizer night, this is the way to go. Add a little kick with some jalapeno peppers. But now I'm gonna get Jay to top with the rest of these green onions on top of those balls, just like so. Perfect. Drizzle your sauce on there and you're good to go. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a comment down below and hit that thumb. It's a little thing, but it goes a long way. We really appreciate it. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanking more.
Thank you, what?
I'm thanking more.
We're thanking more? Okay.